So I'm trying to film this now with a bit of a zoom to it. I'm gonna go out the door and deal with the wind for a minute. It's not too bad right this moment. Starting to lose focus a little bit here. There we go. You see, it goes all the way up the side of the house. And look at the very little bit of water that's coming out of the downspout. And the huge amount of run is coming off of that. There's a pond there. And you can see it actually has a flow that flows right out the back, all the way out. Incredible. Yard. As of the 6th of April.